यार रोहन, this is going to be an expensive holiday.
इन्वेस्टमेंट करो तो सब पॉसिबल।
Oh my god, don't tell me you sold something in this market.
ना, आई इन्वेस्टेड इन एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट जो मार्केट के अप्स एंड डाउन से हटके है, प्लस पे आउट स्ट्रक्चर भी फिक्स्ड और क्लियर है। सो आई नो व्हेन आई कैन एक्सपेक्ट माय रिटर्न्स एंड हाउ मच दे आर।
ये कौन सा इंस्ट्रूमेंट है?
Bonds, simple hands-off investment. Once you have invested, you don't need to obsessively check the markets, especially if you plan to hold them to maturity.
मतलब?
Think of a bond as a loan. You give me, say, 10,000 rupees, and I promise to pay you a coupon rate of 8.5%. मतलब, you get a fixed return of 850 rupees from me annually. Now let's say the loan is for 5 years. That's the tenure after which I give you your money back, plus the last year ka interest. So total 10,000 rupees plus 850.
And हर साल 850 rupees भी? That's fixed.
Yep. In fact, कुछ bonds annual payouts देते हैं, कुछ semi-annually, कुछ quarterly और कुछ monthly भी. Let me give you my example. I have a bond that I invested rupees 10 lakhs in at a coupon rate of 8.5% and a tenure of 5 years. So that's a fixed return of 85,000 rupees per annum for 5 years. But the best part was that the coupon frequency was quarterly.
Oh, that's fantastic. So you got 4 payouts per year, right? मतलब 85,000 divided by 4, that is 21,250 के 4 payouts. That's so convenient.
Right. Set amount है, which means you can really plan. So for instance, I lined up several expenses with my payout dates. My health insurance premium, bike or home appliances के AMCs, and finally my birthday.
That's really smart. And now this holiday too. Super planning है यार.
वो तो है, but you have to do a little homework and pick your bond carefully because not all bonds are created equal. Fortunately, independent agencies like CRISIL और ICRA इन issuers को rate करती हैं। AAA से लेके BBB rated bonds को investment grade bonds माना जाता है। Generally, AAA और AA+ are higher rated bonds, so their risk tends to be low and the returns are moderate. A और BBB में risks are a little higher, and to compensate for that, returns ज़्यादा हो सकते हैं. BB and below rated bonds are not recommended for retail investors like us, क्योंकि we don't have the kind of risk assessment abilities that an institutional investor will have. Got it? So अपनी risk appetite के हिसाब से you get to pick your bonds.
Got it. So as long as I check the ratings and invest, I have an investment where I can clearly understand the payout structure, timeline and ratings. And that allows me to plan more effectively. Correct?
Exactly. Once you understand the structure, bonds don't feel so daunting, na?
Seriously, I always thought bonds were super complicated. But this actually makes so much sense.
This video is for educational purposes only and is meant to help investors understand financial concepts better. It should not be considered investment advice. Fixed returns do not constitute guaranteed or assured returns. Investments in corporate debt securities, municipal debt securities, or securitized debt instruments are subject to credit risks, market risks, and default risks, including delay and/or default in payment. Read all the offer-related documents carefully.